In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to ChatGPT. First, open Canva. You will see the familiar dashboard filled with various design templates and tools you can use. This is your creative workspace where you can bring your ideas to life. It might take a moment for everything to load, especially if you have a busy internet connection. Once you're in, you'll have access to countless design resources. This is essential because it sets the stage for integrating ChatGPT, enhancing your design process with AI support. Next, click on the Apps option located on the left sidebar. The sidebar is your navigation hub in Canva, making it easy to find different features. When you click on Apps, a new menu will appear, showcasing various applications that can enhance your Canva experience. This step is crucial because it allows you to explore integrations that can streamline your workflow. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. From there, search for ChatGPT or OpenAI in the search bar. You'll see a space where you can type, and as you do, suggestions may pop up. This feature helps you quickly locate the app you need. Typing in ChatGPT or OpenAI will pinpoint the right application among many others. This step is important because it ensures you are connecting to the correct app, which will help you utilize AI effectively in your projects. Now, select the ChatGPT app from the search results. As you click on it, you'll be directed to a page that provides additional details about the application. This page gives you a brief overview of what ChatGPT can do within Canva. It's reassuring to know you are about to add a powerful AI tool to your design arsenal. Once you confirm your selection, you're moving closer to enhancing your Canva experience. Next, click on the Connect button. This action initiates the process of linking your Canva account with ChatGPT. The button is typically prominently displayed, making it easy to find. By connecting these two platforms, you're setting up a seamless workflow. This is vital because it allows you to use AI-generated content directly within your designs. After that, sign in with your ChatGPT or OpenAI account if prompted. A login window may appear asking for your credentials. Enter your information carefully. This step ensures that your accounts are securely linked and that you can access all the features offered by ChatGPT. It's always a good idea to double-check your credentials to avoid any login issues later. Once that is done, allow access. You might see a prompt asking for permission to connect the two services. Granting this access is necessary for the integration to function correctly. By allowing access, you're enabling ChatGPT to interact with your Canva workspace. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as you won't have to deal with connectivity issues in the future. Now you are all set to start using ChatGPT within Canva. You can generate text, ideas, and content effortlessly as you design. This integration opens up a world of creativity, allowing you to enhance your visuals with AI-powered suggestions. Remember, the combination of Canva's design tools and ChatGPT's AI capabilities can significantly elevate the quality of your projects. Enjoy exploring this powerful new feature.